Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on, yes, it's Wednesday already, Wednesday September the 2nd 2020. We have here a regular, three regular Sudokus, a binary one, a medium one, and a killer one, killer Sudoku. Three regular Sudokus. There are also extra Sudokus in this newspaper. In the additional, I believe there are 5 extra Sudokus. So we have 8 Sudokus to go. This one will be number 1447. And let me count what kind of binary Sudoku this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary Sudoku. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here and O, and then O. Double one, here and O, 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 then O. Then let me see, between double O, here one, then one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Alright. Double O, here one, then one. Double O, here one, then one. Double one, here O, then O. Double O, hand one, then one. Double O, hand one, then one. Between two O's comes one. Double O, hand one, then one. Then. Let me see. Double one, hand O, and then O. Double O, hand one, then one. Double one, hand O, then O. Double one, hand O, then O. Double O, hand one, then one. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, hand one, then one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, hand O, then O. Double O, hand one, then one. Between two ones comes an O. Then. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place the 5th one here or there, then we have still 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed. So here cannot be a 1 or there cannot be a 1. So this should be an O. This should be an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place the 5th one here, then we have 3 O's in this row, in this column. 3 O's in a row in this column, not allowed. So this can be a 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place the fifth 1 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column, not allowed. So this can be a 1, this should be an O. If I place the 5th 1 here, still have 3 O's in a row in this column, not allowed. So this can be a 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, and the last O should be here. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place the 5th 1 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column, not allowed. So this can be 1, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column, not allowed. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Finished? No, not finished. 1 number left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, correct. Finish in 7 minutes. Alright, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku. It will be a medium Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.